What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on a MacBook Pro. It's not as hard as you think and to save you a bunch of money. Let's get started. Here we have a broken LCD on a 2015 MacBook Pro. You want to start by removing the 10 lower panel screws with your P5 bit. Be sure to lay them out in the order you remove them, since they aren't all the same size. Once you have all the screws removed, pop the bottom panel free and then unplug the battery. Now that the battery is unplugged, grab your tweezers and grab the black tape on the locking pin for the LCD connection and disconnect it. Next, disconnect the camera connection besides the fan and the 3 antennas. Once everything is disconnected, use your T5 Torx bit to unscrew the 2 hinge caps on each side of the hinge. The hinge caps are 2 little metal flanges that keep debris out of your hinge. Next, with the T7 bit, unscrew the 6 hinge screws holding the hinge down. These screws are all the same size, so you don't have to worry about keeping them in any order. Now make sure all your cables are out of the way. Begin opening the laptop to release the hinge. Cables are out of the way. Begin opening the laptop to release the hinge. Alright guys, I didn't catch a very good video of that. So let me show you what we're talking about. Alright, so pretend your MacBook is right here. So the hinge is right here. When you lift it, when you're opening it, you're wanting that hinge to bend 90 degrees. Right there, can you see that? There we go. And what that does is that releases the tension on the hinge so you can take the screen off of the MacBook. Alright, now it's time to prep your new screen. You want to start with get your cables free, grab your needle nose pliers, and open your hinges up 90 degrees from the screen. This will help with the beginning of the installation. Now you want to hinge the screen on the base of the iPad until it slides into place. Once it's in place, you'll want to push your hinges down flush with the frame of the Once the hinges are in place, you're going to begin replacing all the screws in the MacBook. Make sure to attach the antenna flange when screwing down the hinge on the left side. Screw in the remaining 5 screws for the hinge. Plug in the longest antenna to the left attachment and the shortest antenna to the right attachment. Make sure all 3 antennas are completely seated to their connection. Run the camera cable across the fan and plug it back into the motherboard. Make sure the LCD cable is tucked underneath the flange on the frame of the MacBook. Reseat the connection and then close the locking pin. Now reattach the bottom plate and you're done. All right, guys, there we have it. Screen repair on a 2012 to 2015 MacBook Pro. Just use basic tools from Walmart, and it's a lot easier than you thought. Saves you a ton of money. Please like and subscribe to the video. Helps a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.